Dozen Customs. Back out in the shop today. Quick little unboxing video for you guys. Won't hold you here too long. A couple minutes, bear with me. Colleen had picked me up from Harbor Freight. It is a Central Forge 15-pound anvil. We have the big brother to this on the other side, which I used to have over here, and I used to use it all the time, but we have a wooden workbench on the other side. I needed something heavy that was metal, like an anvil, to be able to hammer metal out. So it's on the other side, and I miss my anvil being over here, but it gets used more on the other side than it does over here. So she got me this little guy. He's a cute little bugger. Won't take up as much room as the other one. And we got a little anvil for this side. So link will be down below for it. Hopefully you guys enjoy our videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'm out. Oop.